So I got a call the other night from my mate Jono. He's got a 200SX S14 with a 2J and a Powerglide, as you do. I think it's a 88mm turbo, built motor, you name it, it's got it. Anyway, they're doing some final bits and pieces, getting it ready for Jamboree in Sydney, and the boys down at 101, they're doing that. They're doing the red Supra that they've got as well, and yeah, they're just crazy, pulling gearboxes last minute, dialing in tunes. It's just, yeah, bedlam down there. So they wanted me to just come down and give them a bit of a tidy up, and like as if I'm going to say no, right? So yeah, went down there, spent most of the night just listening and, just taking it all in. Loved all of the noises, like, oh my God, it's just, yeah, brings me back. Been out of the game for too long, I think. So anyway, we gave them a good clean up and got them all ready. They're, on a truck going down. So anyway, here's a few clips from the night. Pulling anywhere between sort of 12 and almost 1300 at the hubs. Anyway, enjoy the music.
it's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my